We are practicing multiplying and dividing whole numbers and decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1000 in a place value chart. So it's very important that we remember when we're moving to the left versus when we're moving to the right. We move to the left when we're multiplying. We move to the right when we're dividing. So we're going to start off with 4 and 37 hundredths. I'm going to put it in the place value chart. So 4 and 37 hundredths has 4 ones, 3 tenths, and 7 hundredths. So 4 and 37 hundredths in my place value chart, 4 ones, 3 tenths, 7 hundredths. Because I'm multiplying, I'm going to move each digit to the left. I look at the number 10. The number 10 has 1 0 in it. Since the number 10 has 1 0, I'm going to move each one of my digits to the left one time. So my 4, I'm going to move it to the left one time. So 4 ones is now 4 tens. The digit 3, I'm going to move it over one time. So 3 tenths now becomes 3 ones. The digit 7 is going to go from 7 hundredths to 7 tenths. I put my decimal stays in the same place. So my product is 43 and 7 tenths. So 43 and 7 tenths is your product you get when you multiply 4 and 37 hundredths times 10. Let's try another. We're going to do 5 times 100. 5 times 100, I'm multiplying, so I'm going to move to the left. I look at the number 100. I count the number of zeros. There are 2 zeros. So I'm going to put my 5 in the ones place. And I'm going to move to the left 2 times because when I multiply, I move to the left and there are 2 zeros. So I'm going to say 1, 2. I cannot leave my tens place and my ones place empty because that 5 is in the hundreds place. So to not change the value of that 5, I'm going to make sure to put a 0 in the tens place and to put a 0 in the ones place. So having a 5 in the hundreds place is equal to having 500. And when I put my zeros in my tens place and my ones place, that's the number I get, 500. Let's try another multiplication. I have 86 hundredths. I'm going to put 86 hundredths in my place value chart. There's 0 ones, 8 tenths, and 6 hundredths. Make sure to keep my decimal in the same place value, in the same spot. Since I'm multiplying, I move to the left. I count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros. So I'm going to move to the left 3 times. So I start with my 0. 1, 2, 3. My 8. 1, 2, 3. My 6. 1, 2, 3. My 6 stops in my tens place, but I cannot leave my ones place empty. So I can put a 0. So my product is 860. So 86 hundredths times 1000 gives you 860. So I multiply, I move to the left, count my zeros. Let's try division. I have 7 and 48 hundredths divided by 10. So I'm going to put my 7 in the ones place, my 4 in the tenths place, my 8 in the hundreds place. Make sure to keep my decimal in the same place. Because I'm dividing, now I'm going to move to the right. When you divide, you move to the right. Look at your number 10. How many zeros? 1 0. So that means I'm going to move to the right one time. So I have my 7. I move to the right one time. I have my 4. I move to the right one time. I have my 8. I move to the right one time. So when I have 7 and 48 hundredths and I divide it by 10, I end up with 748 thousandths. 748 thousandths. Let's try another. 65 and 3/10 divided by 100. 6 tens, 5 ones, 3/10. I'm dividing, so I'm going to move to the right. I look at 100. I count how many zeros there are. There are 2 zeros. So I'm going to take each digit and move it to the right 2 times. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So 65 and 3/10 divided by 100 gives me 653 thousandths. One more. 985 divided by 1,000. 985 divided by 1,000. So 9 hundredths, 8 tens, 5 ones. I'm dividing, so I'm going to move to the right. And I count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros, so I'm going to move to the right 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 985 divided by 1,000 will give me 985 thousandths. So the most important thing you have to remember is to know when you're moving to your left and your right. Next important thing you need to remember is to count your zeros. Use your place value chart. You see how I drew the arrows? Draw your arrows to make sure you're putting each digit to the next correct place value.